Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, I've got a super quick and easy tutorial for you on how to remove the background from a photo using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a hassle-free way to make your images stand out, this is the video for you. Only Canva Pro users have access to this feature. To obtain Canva Pro for free, click the I button. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, click on Create a Design and choose the custom dimensions that suit your needs. Now, let's upload the photo you want to edit. Click on the Uploads tab, then drag and drop your image into the designated area. With your photo uploaded, click on it to select it. You'll see a toolbar at the top. Hit the Edit Photo button, and you'll find the Background Remover feature. Here's the magic part. Click on Background Remover, and Canva will automatically start removing the background from your photo. Depending on the complexity of your image, it might take a few seconds. Canva does a fantastic job, but sometimes it needs a little fine-tuning. Click on Adjust to manually refine the selection. You can use the Eraser tool to remove any parts that were missed, or Restore button that you wish to keep. You can now apply any background you want. Once you're happy with the result, now you're ready to download your edited photo. Hit the Download button, choose your preferred file format, and you're done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.